I live in God's own Southern England is home to everything that I ever known. I'm rooted to the ground and I'm loyal to the crown, and we don't want many foreigners around. I'm aware over there in some or other place there's war, famine, disease and destruction, but life's too comfortable on my country estate to ever really care too much about them. So we got in our old chum Cameron, you know, he really hasn't changed a bit since those days way back when. Now he's in number 10, he's as happy as a pig in shit. Not a rumour or tell of a spot or a spell, the so-called financial crisis. But our mates the Tories have got their priorities straight, so we don't face the consequences. Well, I could invest in the NHS if I had some philanthropic concerns, but I'm not stupid, you see, I have an economics degree, I'm manufacturing offers better returns. Yes, I am unashamedly capitalist, I believe we're off to accumulate wealth. It just so happens that I inherited mine and didn't make a penny myself, but I live by and uphold British traditions of old that spread our great empire all across the globe, and with the help of Papa, my accountant in Panama, those traditions continue to grow. Because the system is rigged for our benefit, and the plebs haven't caught on yet. There's one rule for them and another for us, and we'll just cut all their benefits next time the banks go bust, and the whole thing trickles on rather nicely. So I'll blow a sum on something really rather pricey, like a Pacific Island or a mountain of cocaine in New York I've already got, but I could use another plane to spend the socialists and hippies or whinging about fracking or foxes or migrants or the money they're lacking. I can always get out while the lynch mob is about, but we can get another one of our lot back in.
Well, not that you'd wish anyone dead. Thank you very much. Should we sing a song about death? We've all got that in common. Or sing Arseholes.
Sorry.
Arseholes or death. CDs for sale. Shooting.